Mechanics of materials, maximum bending stress in beams. In this example, we have like two identical beams in terms of their cross section and also the materials, but the length of and also the support condition and the loading, but the length of the below one is that as 2i has the length of the top one. We want to know what is the maximum bending stress of the longer beam with respect to the smaller one. These are our answers, and let's approach our problem. So for the first beam, which is fixed support and a distributed loading of W over the span of L, we have like maximum bending are at the supports like MA and MB, and they are WL squared over 12, and due to the symmetry, MB and MA are identical to each other and they are maximum. If we call it beam 1, the maximum stress sigma 1, we call it maximum stress in beam 1 is M1. M1 stands for maximum moment, which is WL squared over 12 over the section modulus for beam 1. And S is nothing but I over C. So if this is our cross section, I is equal to 1/12 base cube height if this is our B, and this is our H, and this is our centroid, and C is just the distance of either part to the centroid. And for the second beam, again, MA is identical to MB due to symmetry, and that's this time W times 2L squared over 12, and sigma maximum, which is sigma 2 for beam 2, is M2, which stands for maximum moment in this beam 2 over the section modulus for beam 2, and that's also I over C. And because of equal cross section, again, we talk about it. If the cross section of both beams are identical, so their section modulus stay the same. So I over C is equal to I over C for the beam 1 and beam 2. In that sense, sigma 2 over sigma 1 maximum is equal to the M2 over S2, M2 maximum over S2 divided by M1 maximum over S1. The section modulus cancel out with each other because they are equal to each other as we saw before, and then maximum stress in beam 2 to maximum stress in beam 1 is just a matter of the maximum moment. And if you pay attention to the maximum moment for the larger beam is W times 2L squared over 12 over WL squared over 12, and that's the choice C. Thank you. We'll solve more problems in mechanics of material in terms of beams.